So as you can see, we've got the rear end housing in place now. And we're going to take our control arms. And once again, we're dealing with, since we do have powder coat and paint, or if you're dealing with rust, sometimes it takes a little convincing, and a friend to help you get these in there and lined up. And there, and you see we're using our grade 8 bolt from our kit. And we're going to come to the front. We're through, then you want to follow it. You've got your lock washer and nut. Just going on the outside. Now what's interesting is doing this on the outside, once you have a car body on here, if you ever have to service this, it's a lot easier to access it this way. And once again, we'll go back when it's under load and confirm all of our torque specifications.